Stay cool without breaking the bank. Energy-saving tips for Las Vegas summers from 32 Degrees. Hey everyone, welcome back to 32 Degrees. Today we're tackling a hot topic that's close to every Las Vegas homeowner's heart. How to keep cool without soaring energy bills during our scorching summers. Stick around for some cool tips. First things first, let's talk about efficiency. Your HVAC system's efficiency can save you a ton of money. Do you know if yours is up to par? Let's find out how you can check and optimize it. Tip number 1, invest in a smart thermostat. These clever devices adjust your home's temperature automatically and can save up to 10% on cooling costs. Plus, you can control them from your smartphone. Next up, regular maintenance. Keeping your AC clean and filters fresh helps it run more efficiently. It's like giving your car a tune-up, but for your AC. Another big saver, improving your home's insulation. This keeps the cool air in and the hot air out, reducing how hard your AC has to work. It's a bit of upfront cost that pays off in the long run. Don't underestimate the power of fans. Ceiling fans, standing fans, they all help circulate air and can make your home feel cooler without cranking down the AC. And since we're in Las Vegas, timing is everything. Try to run your appliances during cooler parts of the day to keep your indoor heat at minimum when the sun's at its peak. Ready to beat the heat without beating your wallet? Implement these tips and watch your energy bills drop. For some more cool ideas and HVAC tricks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Share this video with a friend who might need some relief from the heat too.